Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the wonderful Pacific Northwest in that humble little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA, as I love to call where I live. So welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my February 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 29, everybody. So, I am debating on whether or not to get to 30. I don't think I need to go to 30. I found my envelopes. I could get to 30. So we'll see. I may do 30, but 30 may be just one video, a single one. So we'll see. My OCD is telling me 30 is an even number and go to 30. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, all the stuff is not there where it should be. It's not there. So, do we do it backwards? No, sorry. It dictates that we do it the normal way. So, this kit is called Celebrate Spring, February 2026 Paper Pumpkin, right? And if you'll notice, I probably will have a couple of these sets of videos up together, hopefully. So, you could have made 3 of each of these designs with the envelopes being just that little bit of pink design or series paper on the flap. This QR code, as always, would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed, a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now over here, this one right here would lead you to this set of add-on dies called the Beautiful Bloom dies. They coordinate with January, February, and March of 2026. The new ones are out and available to purchase. They're called the Wonderful Sing dies. They will coordinate with April, May, and June of Paper Pumpkin kits. And our stamps are the 2 Easter eggs, Sweet Spring Greetings, Hello Friend, Happy Easter, and the grass. Now, the 2 cards we're doing today are going to be one. We may do this Thinking of You. So I am bringing in my last of my stamp sets. It's from 2002, everybody. So yeah, really, really old, right? Miracle of Spring. And I want to bring in these little butterflies. This one just for the flap. But may each Miracle of Spring be a sweet reminder of God's everlasting love and the thinking of you. We could, I guess, do the Happy Easter as well. So you can already see my designs right here. Really simple cards. I'm going to use envelopes as envelopes from the kit. Isn't this double bunny really, really cute? I know. Let's do the easiest one first, which is the double bunnies. This is my last of these supplies. My Aunt Carolyn needed 1 set of bunnies, and there's only 3, so I'm doing a double bunny card, and I'm hoping my Thinking of You will fit where I want it, and we're going to use, we're just going to go for it right here, right now. Thinking of You, right? Oh, I do have to test. Sorry, I have to see what it looks like. Oh, it's going to look beautiful. So, it's always I cannot see. This is where Palmer stamp sets. Okay, I'm just going for it. It's not perfect. Not perfect at all, but I'm hoping I can work with it because I don't have another. I don't have another swag, and I really want the swag. I wonder if I can do, this belongs to Aunt Carol's card, but I'm wondering. Oh, I do have another swag. Okay, let's take another a shot at this. I'm walking it down, hopefully straighter. Please. Oh, yes, a little blurry there, but that's okay. That's so much better. So much better. All right. We're going to go ahead and stamp. This is a portrait one. Stamp and Pierce mat needs to come out to play. We'll do Sweet Spring Greetings from this kit on this one. and the wee little butterflies here. Oh, I think we're going to do our bunny down here just because. Why? Because we can, right? Oh, you can tell me that's not cute because that just is adorable. And then on one envelope, we're just going to stamp. Oh, let's do the Happy Easter, because I want to use the stamps. No sense in having them if we don't use them. All right, we're going to move this out of the way. I want to stamp some butterflies. Might need a little bit of stamping off. I want to stamp like these butterflies here. And maybe just this one up in that corner. I think that's all I need on there. And let's go ahead and glue this down. I don't need the stamp and pierce mat anymore. I know I could have saved the extra bunny and stuff and did another card, but when I started, when they kind of fell out together, I thought, oh my goodness, do a double bunny card. And why not? Right? So, thinking of you, we're going to put this wee bunny like I have before, because he's a legless bunny. Oops. Sorry, Bunny. We want your ears out of the basket. And we need a little bit of this to pop his ears up. Here and here. There. So, thinking of you. And this wee little bunny, now he's going to get his ears popped up as well. But he is going to come down here. Just getting them lined up where I need them to be. This one over here. Get you. Okay. Let's get him glued down. If I get him in place, everything else should fall in place as well. First little bunny. Second little bunny. Get a little bit of glue right there. This one is going to go right here. These little Easter eggs are going to go right there. I think all of this needs to be popped up. So a little bit in this corner. Oops, it glued it down. I wanted it. Okay, we'll just leave that sticking together. Nope, I can't. Can it come off? Yes. We'll just move you further up. Might have to leave. This is going to have to get glued down. It just is. Just the way it is. These are going to get minis, but I would need to get the minis out. One's going to have 2 and one's going to have 1, and there is a reason for that. This one is going to have a little glue here. And this one is going to have 2 to go like so. Oh, cute. And I think we need one more. Please let me have one more. One more going in the right direction, that is. This one needs to be right here, but it needs a little shorter. So we need to do a little surgery here. And right on the corn. Not good. Yes. 1, 2. Tell me that isn't adorable, because I think it is as cute as a cute can be. With our little butterflies, and get the bling out. Alright. Because we stamped the inside. Yes, we have all our little pretty little butterflies. I'm going to put one there. One here. And where else? That one's not in the right place. I should have maybe moved that over a little bit. Hold on. Can it come off? Come out, come off. I don't know. We'll have to see here. I almost started to huff on it. It needs to be like right there. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Okay. But 1, 2, and maybe 3. Or 3. 3 right there. All right. So there's wee little bunny. Let's just make his ears sparkle. Just the ears and the wee little nose. And our little flowers. A little bit on our Easter eggs. And we need to secure the Easter eggs down because they are not secured at all. Forgot about those. We can fix it. All right, so card number 1, have our envelope to match it, a double bunny card. Now card number 2, we are going to be using this oval, half of the lemon lolly card base and half of the Shy Shamrock card base. And this one, nothing's going to happen to it. That is just going to go on to our actual card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I bet you all knew what that size was, right? Yes. My favorite card base. Because I just sit here some days and I just cut card bases. But I need to open a new package of white cardstock. And I actually need to refill my card bases. So this is going to be portrait. Now what's going to happen with this one is this one we're going to stamp May Each Miracle of Spring. Okay, we're going to stamp this in the Shy Shamrock. Now remember, I don't need the, we are going to do a test though. I don't need these Stampin' Pierce mat because these have the cushioning in them because these are old red rubbers stamps. All right, I want this in the center. That came out gorgeous. So while that dries for a minute, we're going to open this up. and stamp Sweet Spring Greetings with, of course, Stampin' Pierce Mat. And we are going to stamp our wee little bunny down. You know what? Let's stamp this one off and stamp it in the center. Why? Because we can. Because he's a cute little bunny. We're going to stamp him on the envelope. All right. So this is done. I'm not sure about the butterflies on this one. We'll have to let's see. See, I could do a few butterflies here. I think we're going to leave this one clean and simple. I've got lots of little flowers and some leaves to add to it. So now we're going to take this and we're going to glue this to the yellow. And then we're going to cut again on that 45-degree angle up underneath this piece. This isn't as easy as the other paper because this is cardstock. Yes, I don't want to use my good scissors. I'm so weird. I know. Why I didn't stay like to the edge with the glue, because I knew I was going to be fussy cutting this out. Well, I wouldn't call this fussy cutting. I would call this rough cutting. All right. Now, look how pretty that is. It just kind of stands out on there. So I'm going to take this, put this on there. Now I can take these extra pieces I have left. I'm not sure what all my guys I have left to put on here, but I thought I would add, I mean, technically I can just leave it, and I'm not sure what I have. You know what? We're going to leave it. I'm going to leave that, and we are going to do video number 30. Not today. Not today. But we will leave this, and we'll just add some bling. We will add bling to this, and we will use these because these will be a nice bright pop of color on here. Oops. We really need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unless I add a few of the others as well. No, I just cannot do that. So I guess I'm leaving it at 4 for this one. So there you have it. My 2 cards using the Miracle of Spring stamp set. We used the Thinking of You here, we used the Sentiment here, and of course we used the stamps. We used the little butterfly here, but it was called Miracle of Spring from 2022. We used it in 2026. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.